All right, sixth graders, here we go. It's math, it's Taco Tuesday, and it's Cinco de Mayo. And this stuff is actually kind of fun. So, let me get a pen, marker, something. Here I am, just in case you can't see me. All right, we have to factor these. So we're going to take the biggest number out of both these set of numbers. So what's the biggest number that goes into them? It's kind of like finding a common denominator. You want to choose the biggest one that goes into it. So let's see here. 18, it can be 9, no, because it doesn't go into 32. 8 doesn't go in there. 4, no, I think it's just 2. So really, all you write is the answer is 2. That is the greatest common factor. What is the greatest common factor of 24s, and there's a letter, now a variable, and 54t? Well, they both don't share any of the same letters, so we don't worry about that. But they both share a 27. So 27 is my greatest common factor. Now this one's cool, watch this. They both have a C, and they both have a D, so we know they both carry those guys. But what goes into 18 and 30? Let's see. 6 probably. 6 goes into 18. 6 goes into 30. So I think that's the answer. So 6 is shared by 18 and 30. And C is shared by 30 and 18. And so is D. So that's why I pulled all those out. You're like extracting them from that. So it goes into 36x and 24. They both don't share any variables or any letters. Actually, no, this one's different. I think this one says, let me see, number 4 says. Yes, we have to factor. This is even more fun. So we're going to pull a number out. So what number can we pull out? What biggest number can we pull out of here? It's a 12. So if we put a 12 here, 12 times 1 makes 36x. That would be 3x. Because 12 times 3 is 36 times the x. There's the x. Keep the same sign. 12 times 1 makes 24. 2. Now if I was to solve this using the distributive property, which we did on Friday, 12 times 3 is 36. There's your x. 12 times 2 is 24. Let's do this one. What does 4x plus 9 both share? Well, the only thing that goes into 4 is 2 and 4 and 1. The only thing that goes into 9 is 3 and 1 and 9. So they share nothing. So this one you leave just as it is because this one's fully factored. There's no common factor, I should say, in there. So here we go, another one. 14x and 16y. They both share a 2. So I pull a 2 out. 2 times what makes 14? 7. There's your x. Keep your minus sign. 2 times what makes 16? 8. Don't forget your y. Check your work. 2 times 7x is 14x. 2 times 8y is 16y. Bring your minus sign down. Boom. All right, page 419. I'm doing all your homework for you today. We have to find a common factor, the GCF, that goes into both 24 and 48M. They both don't share any letters. They both share a 24. That's a big one. This one here, what goes into 32A and 48B? I think it's 16. Let's see, 16 times 2, 16 times 3. They don't share any letters, so the answer is 16. Now this one I probably have no clue because I don't know my 144 times tables. 12 goes into both these. But I have a weird feeling that 36 goes into both these as well, because I bet it does. So 36, I think, times 4, yeah, is 144. But look at they both share. What letter? A K. So 36K. Now we have to do this to these 3, which is fun. I like these. Here we go. What goes into 3x and 6? What they both share? They both share a 3. 3 times what makes 3x? And x. You can put a 1 here, you don't need it. Plus 2. Check your work. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Keep your same sign. This one is just like this one. There is no common factors. There's nothing to pull out. So I'm just going to write 2x minus 5. Or you're probably going to write, it cannot be factored. Okay, what goes into 12x and 30y? Let's see here. How about a 4? No. How about a 6? Yes. 6 times 2x plus 6 times 5y. Okay? That is how you do it. Don't forget to take the variable with you. All right, guys, it's Taco Tuesday. I hope you're having tacos. This is a long one. This is a hard one. We're going to review, I think, tomorrow. So look for a piece of paper on, I think, Google Classroom. We're gonna try that. All right, guys, enjoy.